Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the My Little Pony Souvenir badge in Hearttopia. So the limited time My Little Pony Souvenir badge is finally here, but you have to act fast before the event portal closes. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact quest line to unlock this adorable collectible for your profile. So what you need to do here on the Hearttopia, you can just click on this My Little Pony icon at the top and go to the souvenir events, click on the event details, and now you can just draw a pack. You can use your Little Pony coins like this, and once you click on that, you'll have the badge like this. So I just got this Twilight Sparkle sword. This is my current badge in My Little Pony Hearttopia. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.